Working Gotchapon machines. Let's make working mini Gotchapon machines. Use UV resin to fill in any tiny details, like the key slot or capsules. If you're using opaque UV resin, be sure to cure in thin layers, otherwise the inside will stay liquid and could pop or make a mess. If you're using epoxy resin, let cure to a jelly state to avoid mixing colors. Fill the glass section with clear epoxy resin. We add glitter stars to make it sparkle. You want this section transparent, so you can see the prizes inside. Top up the rest of the mold sections with epoxy resin and let cure. There is a line in the capsules to simulate the opening scene. This also lets you color each half differently. Any cabochons or stickers under 5 mm will fit in the capsules. Add your own or any provided in our box to make unique prizes. Repeat the same steps with the bubblegum style mold. Make sure to fill the deeper part of the round mold with just clear resin. When completely cured, demold all parts. Use glue or UV resin to attach the top to the base layer. Be careful that the mechanism part is not attached to anything. It should just sit inside the circle. That will let it freely spin to work. You can add the capsules to the inside now to save time. Be careful that the mechanism part is not attached to anything. It should just sit inside the circle. That will let it freely spin to work. Dome or use a top coat to make the glass go from frosted to transparent. Decorate with stickers or markers, and you're done. The key should fit in the loose mechanism and be able to turn this. Lets the capsules come out like a real gotchapon. You can put the capsules back in the same way in reverse. Repeat the same steps with the bubblegum machine pieces. Again, be careful nothing is sticking down the mechanism when you glue the pieces together. It should just be sitting in the hole.